Welcome to another Worldwide Steel Buildings training video. If your building includes wainscot panels, then it will be specified on your sheet metal trim package list. Before installing your wainscot, you will need to install wainscot track along the third girt of your building. The wainscot track will be listed on your ship list as T420 in 10-foot lengths, labeled as at wainscot. Place your first length of wainscot track along the third girt from the bottom of your building, starting at the corner as demonstrated here. If you are installing along the end wall, then you will press the wainscot track down against the end wall girt and attach through the top leg of the track as shown here. In our example, we are installing along the sidewall. Therefore, we will press the wainscot track upwards and attach using Tek screws every 2 feet through the bottom leg of the track and into the bottom of the girt. Continue installing track along the length of your wall, ensuring that each additional piece is flush with the previous piece. Once you reach the end of your wall, you may need to cut your final piece of track so that it ends flush with the corner. Install your final piece of wainscot track, ensuring the end is flush with the corner and secure with Tek screws along the bottom of the track. The wainscot track installation for our sidewall is now complete. You may now proceed with your wainscot panel installation. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.